Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I made a couple of videos on this rainbow yesterday, and while I was waiting for the video to load, I kind of came up with this design. And I thought I'd show, because it's a couple easy steps to make it perfect or make it easier on you. The circle started out at 30 inches, so half of it is 15. With your object origin placed, I normally keep it in the middle, placed at the bottom center, and I've measured from, with a parallel dimension tool, I've measured from that node to that node, and I come up with 23 inches. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 23 inches. And this is how easy this is. Control D and make a duplicate, and then mirror it. Take that one and nudge it over. Now Control D and nudge it twice. Control D and Control D. And depending on whether you want the last one up or down, we're just going to take this one away. Now they're both facing down, depending on what you want to do with it. Then we're going to select them all. And you see my nodes. They probably will leak. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves. I've got mine set on real little, so watch this now. And now it's all one piece. Well, at least the center ones are. Now we need something to keep it from leaking on the end, so we're just going to take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and hopefully it's not going to leak. And then go from that node to that node. And then, because we don't know if it's going to leak, we're going to put a rectangle around it. Now we're just going to take any color, Smart Fill, and fill that in, and we do not have any leaks. So we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday. We're going to bring in our colors, which somehow I've changed that to a purple. That needs to be a red, so we'll just make it a red, because it was our document palette. If you didn't watch that video, it was pretty good. So now we're going to grab the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to specify that color, and then go and hit that. I still don't like that orange, but then we're going to go yellow. I've just got these other ones in there for a reference. The ones on the right kind of give us an idea of which is next. But really the document palette is in order. Just one more and then a purple. That's how you make that pattern. And you could do a lot with this. I'm going to do something really quick and fun. I'm going to Control G and group that together. I'm going to delete that box. I'm going to hit P, put it at the center of the page, even though it's way too big for the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and rotate it 5 degrees. Control D, all the way around. And you could keep going, but in stopping any point. If you were going to print on a t-shirt, of course I would change the red. Like I said yesterday, I don't like the red or blue. And we could, you could alter this a lot. You could, take out and just print the center part. There's so much going on, I'm not going to do it for the video, because if you use the intersect tool right now, it'll make my old laptop crash probably. But the intersect tool and put a circle in there. So that's something you can, I'm not going to say you'll ever do that, but that is a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.